Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the vast expanse of online learning platforms? Or perhaps you've experienced the frustration of not being able to find the right course or the right learning path for your unique needs and goals. Well, today we're taking a deep dive into Pluralsight Skills, a platform that aims to address these common challenges and so much more. Pluralsight Skills is designed to help individuals master technology skills, with a particular focus on cloud, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence. But it doesn't just stop there. The platform is a treasure trove of over 7,000 courses, labs, and certification practice exams covering a wide range of technology topics. It's like having an entire library of knowledge at your fingertips, ready and waiting for you to dive in. One of the standout features of Pluralsight Skills is the ability for users to assess their skills. This isn't just a generic quiz or a one-size-fits-all test. Pluralsight Skills offers a comprehensive and personalized assessment, known as Skill IQ. This assessment gives you a clear understanding of your strengths and areas for improvement, allowing you to tailor your learning journey to your specific needs. But that's not all. Pluralsight Skills also provides hands-on learning opportunities. We all know that the best way to learn is by doing. That's why Pluralsight Skills offers hands-on labs, allowing you to get your hands dirty and apply what you've learned in a practical setting. What's more, Pluralsight Skills curates learning paths for its users. No more aimless browsing or second-guessing your course choices. These learning paths are meticulously crafted, guiding you step by step towards mastering a specific skill or achieving a specific goal. And when you're ready to test your newfound knowledge, Pluralsight Skills has you covered with certification practice exams. Not only do these exams help reinforce what you've learned, but they also prepare you for the real deal, increasing your chances of certification success. Pluralsight Skills strives to bridge the skills gap worldwide, empowering individuals to advance their careers with the right knowledge and skills. And with various plans and pricing options, it offers flexibility and accessibility to suit different needs and budgets. To recap, Pluralsight Skills is a comprehensive online learning platform that addresses common learning challenges. It offers a vast library of courses, labs, and certification practice exams. It provides personalized skill assessments, curated learning paths, and hands-on learning opportunities. And with a focus on bridging the skills gap and helping individuals advance their careers, it's a platform that truly empowers learners to reach their full potential. So, if you're looking for a platform that offers a personalized and hands-on approach to learning, Pluralsight Skills might just be the perfect fit for you. With its comprehensive offerings and career-boosting potential, it's not just a platform for learning, it's a platform for growth.